Shri Rama Sharanam Mama Manas Manthan Kinkar Chintan. Discourses by Maharaj Shri Ram Kinkarji Upadhyay. Message 18. Title: The Quickest Way to Meet God. In this message, Maharaj Shri Ram Kinkarji compares a couple of methods to reach God. Goswamiji declared his preference for Sharanagati or total surrender in Ayodhya Kand when Sri Bharatji travelled along with Ayodhyavasi to Chitrakoot. Logically, using no vehicles to travel but to walk takes much longer to reach any destination. With this outlook, it is expected that Ayodhyavasi using vehicles must reach Sri Ram sooner than Sri Bharatji, who on the contrary walked himself. The sequence is opposite, as Sri Bharatji gets the darshan of Sri Ram sooner than the rest of the other companions. Here Goswamiji proves the fact that aspirants like Sri Bharatji are mostly those who feel that they don't have enough capacity of their own to do any penance, or they have a sense of nisadhanta. Additionally, they believe with unshakable faith that only Bhagwan's grace or kripa is their savior. With these above two combinations of nisadhanta and faith, usually they are successful in finding God sooner than those who rely on their own hard work or sadhana. Maharaj Shri further analyzed what this reverse order signifies for. The answer lies in Sri Bharatji's strength, who has all the capabilities, yet he always felt that he lacked the most desired capacity to reach Sri Ram. His strong belief of lacking any assets in himself of his own further proves the unique power of nisadhanta or incapability. This dependency on the power of Sharanagati is in its ultimate form. In essence, Sri Bharatji proves that the only route by which one can reach Sri Ram's feet is his grace or kripa only. With his uniqueness and approach, Sri Bharatji has not only highlighted but also glorified the concept of total surrender or Sharanagati. In conclusion, Maharaj Shri Ram Kinkarji says that the fastest and surest way to reach and meet God is through complete surrender, empowered by His grace. See you later with another message of Maharaj Shri. Jai Siya Ram.